How to change your Netflix kid account to normal. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can change our Netflix kid account to normal. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if you had created a kid profile on Netflix, you want to make it to a normal profile. First of all, you can't do it, right? That process can only be done when you're trying to create a new profile. But what you can do is, if those viewing history is important to you, you can transfer that profile to a new profile and then delete your kid profile. The new profile does not have to be a kid profile. So to do this, you just have to open up netflix.com from your browser. Then once you log into netflix.com, tap on the three lines option from the top left. Then from here, simply go to the account option, as you'd be able to find there. From the account option here, you'll be able to see a couple of options, and here you can see manage profiles. So obviously you want to go to manage profiles, and over here you can see a couple of options again, but since we want to, let's say, go ahead and then transfer profile, you can see transfer a profile option. Now all you have to do is select a profile you want to transfer, select transfer a different profile, then choose your kid profile from here. Once you choose your kid profile from there, what happens is that you will be able to go ahead and then basically choose that kid profile and can transfer to a new profile, and after that you can delete the old profile, which is a kid profile, and then you can use your new profile there. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically change kid to normal. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.